In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw Solana, or SOL, from Binance, covering both desktop and mobile methods. Now, if you've been navigating the world of cryptocurrencies for a bit, you know that making transfers requires a bit of know-how, particularly for securing your assets. So, let's make sure we do this right and safely, starting from your desktop. First things first, you'll need to log into your account on Binance.com. Remember to complete your two-factor authentication process to ensure your account remains secure. Once logged in, navigate to your wallet section. Here, you'll have the option to choose either fiat and spot or wallet overview. Once you're in, click on the withdraw option and select crypto. Now comes the part where we choose which coin we're working with. In this case, select SOL, which stands for Solana. It's important to ensure you're choosing the correct coin to avoid any mistakes in the process. Then you'll need to choose the network. From the drop-down menu, ensure you select Solana as the network. This step is critical because selecting a different network could result in your funds being lost. Next, we need to paste the receiving address. This is the address you've copied from your external wallet, like Phantom, Trust, or Ledger. So go ahead and paste it into the address field. If your receiving platform requires a memo or a tag, don't worry. Binance will prompt you with a memo field if it's necessary, so go ahead and fill it in if needed. Now, enter the amount of SOL you wish to withdraw. Binance will automatically display the withdrawal fee and the minimum amount required to make the transaction. It's crucial to review this information, especially the net amount you'll receive after the fees are subtracted. Once you're satisfied with everything, click on Submit or Withdraw. Next, you'll complete any of the pending security checks, like entering an email code, SMS code, or using Google Authenticator. It's all part of keeping your transactions safe and secure. After submission, Binance will provide you with a TX ID or transaction ID in your withdrawal history. This is a handy tool because you can use this TX ID to track the progress of your transfer on a Solana Explorer, like solscan.io or explorer.solana.com. If you notice any delays, a good troubleshooting step is to check the deposit and withdrawal status page on Binance. This page will let you know if SOL withdrawals have been temporarily suspended or if there are any ongoing issues. Always remember to test the process with a small amount first to ensure everything is working smoothly before committing to larger transfers. That's it. You've successfully navigated the steps to withdraw Solana from Binance, keeping both your funds and peace of mind intact.